1. Bermuda Triangle mysteries. Numerous unexplained disappearances. 2. Mary Celeste 1872 ship found abandoned, crew missing. 3. Sargasso Sea enigma, area known for still waters and mysteries. 4. Disappearance of flight. MH370 modern aviation mystery with Atlantic theories. 5. Lost colony of Roanoke 1580s. Entire colony vanished without a trace. 6. Titanic sinking 1912. Infamous maritime disaster. Lingering questions. 7. SS Cyclops disappearance 1918. Vanished without a trace, no distress calls. 8. USS Cyclops mystery 1918. One of the largest naval losses in World War I. 9. Flannan Isles Lighthouse mystery 1900. Lighthouse keepers mysteriously disappeared. 10. Flying Dutchman legend. Legendary ghost ship sightings.